So I asked Shelby to color this in a fantasy pattern with straight lines all the way around, kind of the rainbow from the top to the bottom.
Using purple, it's Masquerade in Danger Jones, and I always start at my root, at the bottom of the nape, and then I'll section that off and do it again, and then I'll pull my color through. The thing about this color line is it encapsulates, so you shouldn't have any bleeding. It kind of like starts to dry a little bit over the top, so when you lay the other colors down, they don't blend in. Now I'm using Solitude is the blue. Now we're using Empire, the green. The longer you leave Vivids on, the brighter they get, regardless of the brand. But I usually leave the Danger Jones on for about 35 minutes. When I get to the yellow, I'm going to change gloves. And my gloves are black, so if I missed anything, I'll definitely see it in the yellow.